So today we are doing pumpkin chucking. It's where a bunch of schools from the York County area build a pumpkin chucker, well, something to launch a pumpkin. Most people do trebuchets or like something like a catapult. We've seen slingshots, air cannons, and stuff like that. And the goal is to get as close to the markers that they set.
The way this one works is we have resistance bands at these corners attaching to this basket here. We pull it back with this this boat winch right here. It pulls it back. We pull this string. It's not attached right now, but we would pull that. This releases, and then it sends the basket forward.
So our team name is Tucker the Pumpkin Chucker 3 because this is our third revision of it. And we did a floating arm trebuchet, so the weights go on the side, and it basically allows for maximum velocity, so you can get the most out of the swing of the arm.
The mechanical advantages, or the distances that we're pulling back at an angle, we had to learn how to do the math for that.
We've learned concepts like simple machines, so like levers and stuff, and fulcrums, and kind of like seesaws. So we use that like to calculate how far we can get it to go with a certain amount of weight and like release angles and things like that. So we take all that into account to see how far we can launch it and like try to get as exact as possible.
We changed our release mechanism. Before it got caught and the ball would kind of get wrapped around in the net. Now we have a basket that'll help it not get caught and just kind of push it away from the net and not get caught.
So today we did pretty well. On the second fire we had malfunction and the arm broke. In order to get it operational again, we had to put together all the broken pieces from before and grab some scrap wood from our duffel bag that we brought just in case. Thankfully, we brought that. We were able to put it back together and get it fixed and ready for the third round, and we were able to even do a fourth round for a last Hail Mary throw.
Congratulations everybody on the 10th annual already. 10 years in the making for the pumpkin chucking. Congratulations, let's give a big round of applause for all the teams. Great job. In third place, with an average distance to target of 7 meters, Tucker the Pumpkin Chunker the Third from York, Texas.
Yeah, I think we did pretty well. I'd call it a success. We got a lot of good throws in there, and we did pretty well.